Hi guys, welcome to my new session. So this is our session 25. Here we are doing exercise on pad level 6 as I am showing here. So today we will do 15 repetitions on back extension machine, and after doing 50 repetitions we have to hold 2 minutes on that on both the legs. So this is basically exercise to build your lower back. Performing 15 repetitions followed by 2 minute hold on back extension machine is an extremely high intensity endurance, isometric and stamina challenge for the lower back and the posterior change. While it can build significant endurance, it is generally considered an advanced high volume technique that require excellent form to avoid strain. So take a rest for 2 seconds. After taking rest for 2 seconds, we have to adjust our position on a back extension machine and hold for 2 minutes. Position the pad just below your hip bone to ensure that you can bend at the hips and not on the waist. Lower your torso slowly until you feel a stretch in your hamstring. Then rise until your body is in a straight line, parallel to the ground or slightly angled depending on the machine. Keep your neck in a natural position, avoiding looking up too high. So if you are a beginner, start with 3 sets of 10 to 12 repetitions. A 2 minute hold is likely too intense for you, so you will hold according to your potential, not start from the 2 minute hold. Instead of a single 2 minute hold, try 3 sets of 10-15 reps, focusing on holding the straight line position for 2 to 3 seconds at the top of each. So here we are holding for 2 minutes. In the first minute, you may not feel any strain or burning on your lower back. As I discussed in the previous session, the lower back hold 2 minutes will focus your lower back tiny muscles attached on your bone, which may not come in the MRI scan. So the safety purpose here are: use a controlled slow tempo, not fast or jerky movements. Focus on your lower back and glutes, not your hamstrings. And also I am pointing out here that not overextend at the top. This acts as the high intensity isometric finisher to build muscular endurance in the erector spine. A 2 minute hold is very long if you form breakdown. For example, your back start rounding before 2 minutes, stop immediately to prevent injury. So guys, keep watching our upcoming sessions. Bye bye.